Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids colors name: black color, yellow color, blue color, red color, green color and white color. Kids and eye coloring ABC 1, 2, 3 and 2D shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane and use black color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D and use yellow color. Yellow color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids neither numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O and E1 2 T W 2 3 T H R W 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. Kids again use red color and draw 2D shapes. And first we draw square. The shape of square. It's not a circle. The shape of circle and use green color. Green color. It's neither triangle. The shape of triangle and use black color. Black color. It's neither heart. The shape of heart and use yellow color. Yellow color. It's last Easter. The shape of Easter and use blue color. Blue color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.